For years, we were talking with different individuals going through their treatments and asking, what could we do to be better, to be there for them? And nature continued to come back into the picture. The opportunity to have some natural light, the opportunity to step away from the four walls of their treatments and their care, and really focus on getting well.
Nature's Sacred is a national nonprofit dedicated to healing green spaces for all. With over 150 across the nation in over 40 municipalities, we are delighted and excited that our latest is here in Lincoln, Nebraska. What Bryan Health and the April Sampson Cancer Center are doing is truly transformative. They're transforming care and looking at care holistically in terms of the patient, the network supporting those patients, both from a family perspective and from a staff perspective. These green spaces can reduce burnout in healthcare staff and in all individuals, and can improve health outcomes in meaningful ways. So what defines a sacred place? In each one, there's a portal to let you know you've entered a new space, and there's a gorgeous portal to enter in this Garden of Hope and Healing. There's a destination, and in this case, there are several destinations, including one near a gorgeous water feature and one overlooking the pond, to recognize that there is hope and beauty around, even in the darkest of moments.
What made this opportunity possible was the philanthropic support of donors to say, we believe in this too, and we want to be a part of this. So philanthropy in this situation is what really tied together the vision, the why, and then made it possible.
At Nature's Sacred, one of our earliest advocates and champions is the Shore family. Paul and June Shore have been friends for a long time and been watching this process unfold. One of the things that we talked about with Paul and June was the fact that they wanted to bring one here to their hometown of Lincoln, Nebraska.
My why came from a dear friend called Tom Stoner, who created Nature's Sacred. And he's built, at his own expense, over 100 and some small parks throughout the United States. He asked me to consider doing a park somewhere, and I said, I think we ought to do it in Lincoln in honor of our parents. And we offered to build a park out here with a new cancer center as a place for hope and healing, and that's why we did it.
You can go and get treatment at a lot of different places and have care at a lot of different facilities, all excellent places. But that component of nature, that component of your whole wellness is really something that Nature's Sacred was able to bring to the April Sampson Cancer Center, along with the Shore family, to take in the healing joys of nature and bring calm and peace to the soul.